Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to control phone using voice commands on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to accessibility. From here, just tap on interaction and dexterity, then tap on voice access. Now just enable voice access, then select allow. Now just select agree and tap on done. Now at the bottom of this page, just select listen for voice commands and tap on continue. Now just select finish. Now just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the notifications panel. In the notifications panel, you will see this notification from voice access. Just tap on it. Now from here, you can control your phone using voice commands. For an example, open YouTube. Scroll down, go to home screen, swipe up, swipe right, go to the home screen. Now, as you can see, this is how you can control your phone using voice commands on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.